Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mandeville Primary from Manchester going up against Angels Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Mandeville Primary won, but decided to send Angels Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Angels Primary. We start with Bible knowledge. How was the deacon named Stephen killed?
He was stoned to death.
He was stoned to death.
Correct. Mandeville. How was John the Baptist killed?
Beheaded.
He was beheaded.
Correct. Local affairs, it's a visual. Angels, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dennis Strong.
Incorrect, it's Peter Bunting, the opposition senator. We go over to Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Damian Crawford.
Damian Crawford.
Incorrect, it's Abka Fitzhenley, the government senator. Science, we move back to angels. Which organ is at the center of the body's circulatory system?
The heart.
The heart.
Correct. Over to you, Mandeville. Which organ filters waste from the blood in humans?
Lungs.
Incorrect, it's the kidney. Television, it's a visual. Angels, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Daisy Duck.
Daisy Duck.
Daisy Duck is correct. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Vilma.
Vilma.
That is not correct. The correct response is Wilma with a W. Wilma Flintstone. English language, this is for angels. Spell character.
CHARACTER.
Correct. Mandeville, spell friendship.
FRIENDSHIP.
The wrong answer came first. The correct response is FRIENDSHIP. Friendship. Sports, it's a visual. Angels, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Rochelle Clayton.
Rochelle Clayton.
Incorrect, it's Daniel Williams, Jamaican athlete. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sheldon Fraser Price.
Incorrect, it's Genevieve Russell, Jamaican athlete. General knowledge, this is for angels. What is the capital of Panama?
Panama City.
Panama City.
That is correct. Mandeville, what is the capital of Uruguay?
Say Montevideo.
Judges, it is correct. The correct pronunciation is Montevideo. Social studies, this is for angels. Name 3 of the terrestrial planets.
Mercury, Venus, and Earth.
Correct. Mandeville, name 3 of the outer or Jovian planets.
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus.
Correct. Music, angels. What is the nationality of the singer Celine Dion?
Canadian.
That is correct. For Mandeville, what is the nationality of the singer Billie Eilish?
Canadian.
American.
That is correct. Angels, mathematics. What is the mean of 89, 97, and 69? Mandeville, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
The correct answer is 85. Mandeville, what is the mean of 78, 86, and 52?
Seven. 72.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mandeville Primary on 5 and Angels Primary on 7. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.